Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you about iPhone XR camera features and the way how to turn on live photo on your iPhone XR. So here the way or the things that you need to do is just open your camera. You can slide your screen into downside and open the camera. If you already have the shortcuts for open it, then you just need to go click it. And here is the camera of iPhone XR. To activate the live photo, there will be two options. So sometimes it will be pop up right away here on the right corner, and there's gonna be a symbol for live photo. But if you cannot find these symbols right away, you just need to explore it by click this part, and after that there will be several options pop up here. And after that you just need to click these symbols, and after that go click on. And now the live photo is already active. So to create or to take the live photo, just need to click it. Okay, so taking the live photo will take a little bit moment. So here is the result. If you see this picture, it's kind of like normal picture, but then to watch this picture moving, you just need to click and hold, and you will see the photo is moving. Click it. So that's the way how to activate or turn on the live photo on iPhone XR. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.